Welcome to the Zenmuse H20N tutorial video. This video will show you the methods of installation, activation, and firmware updating for the Zenmuse H20N gimbal and camera. Gimbal installation. Align the white mark on the gimbal and camera with the red mark on the gimbal holder. Gently push up and rotate the gimbal and camera counterclockwise to align the two red marks to complete the installation. After installing the camera, check whether the gimbal and camera are firmly installed. Gimbal activation. Power on the remote controller and the aircraft. Keep the aircraft connected to the remote controller, and make sure that the remote controller shows normal network connection. Tap to enter the DJI Pilot app. Then, the activation page will pop up automatically. Read related terms. Authorize the use of activation information. Select a usage scenario for the device. Confirm the account activation information. Tap Activate. Tap OK. Firmware update. Update with the DJI Pilot app. Attach the camera to the aircraft and power on the remote controller and the aircraft. Tap to enter the DJI Pilot app and keep normal network connection. Newly available firmware will be prompted on the home page. Enter the firmware update screen and tap Update. Then the gimbal and camera will begin updating automatically. Do not power off the device or exit the app during the update process to avoid damage to the camera. Offline update. Go to the download page on the H20N official website and tap to download the latest offline firmware update package. Copy the firmware update package to the root directory of the external microSD card or built-in storage of the remote controller. Insert the SD card into the remote controller. Power on the remote controller and the aircraft. Enter the DJI Pilot app. Tap to enter the health management system. Tap Firmware Update. Tap Offline Update. Select Update Package. And tap Update All. Update via microSD card. Go to the download page on the Zenmuse H20N official webpage and tap to download the latest camera firmware update package. Copy the firmware update package to the root directory of the microSD card and put the card into the designated slot. Power on the aircraft. Then, the camera will perform a power-on self-check and start the update automatically. The camera will beep to indicate the camera status. Firmware update failed. Please try again. Contact DJI support if the update fails numerous times. Thank you for watching.